it do? It's B-Lou, and I'm back here with another banger. So today, it's gonna be a great day. Let me tell you real quick. Why are you staring at me? Please stop staring at me. Jesus. Alright, I did that way too hard that this thing came off. Hold on real quick. Yeah. Okay, so today we're gonna be reacting to TikTok. I know I jumped on that trend. I'm not making them, I'm just gonna react to them. I'm not really a TikTok person, but yeah, TikToks that made me wheeze. That was cringy. TikToks that made me wheeze. But let's.
Hold up, 10 seconds after subscribe.
Oh yeah, you right. You right. You know what? I'ma wait. Y'all gonna have to hit that subscribe button.
Pause the video.
Pause. Actually, they don't even need to pause. Just hit that subscribe button. You know what? I'll wait. I'll wait. How long should I wait for?
Until they like the button.
Alright. Like the button. Like the button. Kusha, you make me hit that subscribe button. Alright? I'ma wait. I'ma wait for you. Alright, let's get it. What the?
What the fuck? What?
Why
I don't know. What are you talking about, brother?
Let's
just forget it, mate.
Oh my god. She spilled the cat or dog food, whatever it is. Ooh, scientists found cure for coronavirus.
Don't you open up that window. Don't you let out that antidote.
I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shine like girls, I'm a bitch. I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shine.
Yes, yes, toilet paper. Transfer. They always want to have these ads. You know what? Take this time to like this video. We'll wait. How you fast forward? This is boring. Finally.
Oh,
Hope
who
you
are
like
you?
that button.
Me, I'm trying to log in.
Nah, I can't let you win. This Jeff computer. You not Jeff.
Come on, bro. I'm Jeff.
Nah, man. Jeff wouldn't wear them shoes. That's a new device. I don't recognize it.
Bro, I bought these shoes on Amazon. You got the notifications.
All right, I'll let you win if you answer these two security questions.
What's the security question?
Question number one. What did your mama first say when you were born?
She said, "God damn, my son got a big ass head."
That's the right answer. Plus, you do got a big head. You kind of look like Jeff. I don't know. I don't recognize it. Question number two. If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
When did I even make this account?
You were 12 when you made this.
Invisibility.
Okay, that's the right
Oh,
answer.
that's
but
so
why?
true.
I was trying to get in the
Aggressive.
girls' locker room because I had forgot my homework in there, and I wasn't gonna look though. I was just gonna get the homework and then leave because it had slipped under the door.
Get your little nasty ass in here. Go ahead, come on.
That's how it really be.
I might just go psycho.
You know what? Another break to subscribe. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh man. Oh, dear.
Alright guys, it's time to go release my new pet fish. Let's put him in. Bye buddy. Oh no, oh my god, oh my god.
You idiot.
No, oh my god, wait, no, run buddy, run. You're safe, you're safe. Oh my god, he's over here, he's over there. Oh my god, what
Idiot.
the heck?
You bum?
Okay, do you have an email?
Yeah, my email address is biscuitdicks at gmail.com.
Look at that face.
Okay, and what's a good email?
My email's a little embarrassing, but it's 12
1, 2.
pluck my pubes,
What? How you even come up with that? Pluck my
3
teeth.
4 shut the door. My
Yeah,
email address
that
is gmail
Extra.
at yahoo.com.
Gmail.
Says you're already a member.
No, that's impossible. Really?
Yep.
Somebody already came up with that? Like, that's crazy.
Wait a damn minute.
No, I can't. No, I can't.
My
No, I
daddy
can't.
too.
Wait till you get out of here. I see you at the movie.
The other king, kita pampana kitu veteran. I'm throw my gun. The other.
Biggest.
People on TikTok go viral for literally the dumbest movements possible. Like, watch this. That was just 1,000 views.
He's breathing real hard, moving closer. She says, "Oh, you don't look so well." And then he says, "Move." She says, "No." He says, "Move." She says, "No." Bitch, move. She moved.
I'm dead.
Bitch, boom.
I'm the chick. That's the chicken. I'm the chick. Yep. That's me right there.
What did I mean, boy?
This was me. Man.
Dum-dum-dum-dum-dum.
What? Y'all are worried about the coronavirus? Man, I was really vibing to that. Your cat be like, you gotta have the look back more. I know you lying. I know you lying. There's no way he jumped that high.
Clearly, I don't give a fuck.
I'm about to fail.
Yo te estoy diciendo a ti que te calles y tú te callas. ¿Entendiste o no entendiste?
Yo, if you Habesha, you know what I'm talking about. We took a little break, but let's get back to it. Mad weird. Okay, what's going on? I don't play with me. Is that toilet paper, bro? That's toilet paper. That's toilet paper. This quarantine, man. You gotta have... Oh. Nah. That's not it. Oh, that's a thick cat. Oh, you know she's spoiled. Oh, she's spoiled. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, she's chilling. Alright, here we go. Yo, I can never get these right. Ever. Ever.
Yeah, I messed it up, but I mean, it's still good. It's still really good. Right. Have a good day today.
Oh, thank you. A very good day
So
today.
I got these jeans from Fashion Nova, but they are,
Okay.
the size is right,
Okay.
but they're so tight on my thighs, because like when I sit like this,
Oh, you heard that song in the background there? That's my song. Say it, that's right. Whoa, girl, you need to throw them away. They're kind of cute though. Yo, these dogs are smarter than me. Yo, these dogs are smarter than me.
It's Corona time. Hey, it's Corona time right now. It's Corona time.
Man,
It's Corona time.
everything closed now. You can't go to the gym or none. I take a shower, eat, sleep, all that. And then at 11 p.m. I'll be like, oh my God, this is due at 12. Whenever my dad sits outside, I know the doctor, so I'm like, oh. Oh, she laughing now. Sis, my dad would have throw those dogs out.
Hey, B, I'll give you $20 right now if you get up on the table and say shut the fuck up.
You won't. You won't. You won't. Oh, he doing it. Oh! My butt hurt for him.
Going home early.
Oh, I would assume so.
If I punched myself in the stomach and it hurt, Does that mean I'm too strong or am I too weak? She told me to put my heart in the bag.
You so dumb.
Moving.
Oh no, what is this?
What else want to do? I keep saying, hey, can you move? They're not
Hey, can you move?
This is what you want.
Beep!
First.
Beep!
Hold on. Back up. I can't give you much more, right? The giraffes need huge.
Where are they at? Where are they? Don't give me the bag. What you doing? What you? That is bag. What the hell?
No, don't eat freaking plastic.
Don't eat freaking. Oh my god. Now you giving him coffee, my G? Oh.
Jordan, no.
Jordan, you gotta go.
Jordan. Oh my god, Jordan.
Yo, y'all gonna believe him if he said that he shared a drink with the... Was that a giraffe? I didn't even see what it was.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Just kidding. I kind of like the rain. It just makes it... It's kind of cold and gets my nippies hard. I don't like that.
The hell?
I do not like that.
Is that a Band-Aid on his
shirt
chest?
during school. How did this...
And you in the jacuzzi?
You're not supposed to be
Nasty.
there. You're supposed to be over there. Look, transition. Ooh. Imagine it was just gone. That would have been epic. But Corona is actually ruining it. Oh, Dougie, you're so pretty. Come here.
Yo, he everywhere. Yo, he everywhere.
She's actually coming. She's not scared of the rain. Go away. I think I scared her. I'm so sorry.
Yo, I think he fruity.
It's okay. She'll forgive me. She loves me. I treat her like a queen. I treat her like a queen, baby.
Do you treat your girl like a queen, though?
The Corona destroying everything. It looks so bad outside. That's probably just because it's raining. But it don't matter.
Look how bored he is. He's literally just talking to himself, technically, like I'm doing right now.
Hey, best album ever.
Ever.
Yeah.
Ooh. Something wrong with me, I swear. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh. What he cooking? See what I'm saying? This is how bored we are, bruh. Yo, government, if you watching this, that's how bored we are. We playing with pots and pans. Oh, wait, hold on. I know. Ain't there a song? Yo, let me know what song Pots and Pans. It was by Quavo, something like that. Something like that. Pots and Pans. Come on now. How many things you gonna add is still not gonna go in?
You're kidding.
At this point, give it out. Don't. Keep going. Ow! Why am I getting excited? I didn't even do it. Oh. Oh. True. 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 Not suspicious people I know. I'd be like, sure. You're not gonna find me. No. When giraffe from Yo, tell me why. I feel like that's the same people. Why? This is why you don't give them coffee. Exactly why. I geek myself, I swear. Dad's at 5:30. Ooh, flex. Reflex kicking out the wrong.
You cannot.
You trying to blow out the candle?
Candle. Can't have it.
Yo, tell me why that's my dog. I couldn't catch him doing this. Oh. Sometimes because you're school, you won't be able to see your crush anymore. No, you're not. Because you would have hit her up. Stupid. When your mom was that. Bro, my mom, watch. She about to just. Watch. My mom be on the same thing. Yup. I knew it. You know what? I can't. You know what? This is crazy. This how bored we are, government. Get this virus out already. This is a bit aggressive. My bad. Don't come at me. Knock it. Okay, come on. I'm gonna do one more. He bet me $100 that I couldn't reach the ducks. Okay. Wait a minute. Yo, I think I know where this is. Yo, you think it's in DC? I think it's in DC. Let me know down below. It look like it's in DC. Yo, by the bridge. That's in the middle of the water, yo. That's the middle of the water. Yo, son, you gonna die. You gonna die. What are you doing? But I had to keep going. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't. Look at them. They're trying to kill you. Bro, there's cracks, son. What are you doing? Oh. Okay, see? I'm done. He didn't even tell us what happened. Bet you. Yo, this is the plot twist. Watch the girl be his girl and the other guy something to go do it so he can steal his girl from him because he did. That's my theory. Alright, should I do one more? Nah. No. We done. Alright. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Well, you know what? Y'all really, really, really gotta subscribe. Alright? If you're not gonna subscribe, then you don't. I can't really do nothing. But come on, man. You gotta subscribe. Alright, thank you for watching. I was gonna say, make sure you share too. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I post, we always having lit bangers up in here. Always. It's definite for something. So I don't know what else to say. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.